let's talk about how to retire in 5 years with property. Let's take a look at smart strategies for financial freedom. Welcome back to That Real Estate Therapist channel. I'm Rebecca, and I'll be guiding you on how to achieve financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many, and the prospect of retiring in 5 years seems like an ambitious yet attainable goal, especially through strategic property investments. As a therapist, I understand that financial stability is not merely a matter of economics, but deeply intertwined with mental well-being. The journey towards financial freedom requires not only sound financial strategies, but also a resilient mindset, emotional intelligence, and a balanced approach to life. We'll be exploring smart strategies for achieving financial freedom through property investment, emphasizing the psychological aspects that can enhance this journey. First, we need to understand the psychological foundation. The foundation of any successful financial plan is a solid psychological framework. As a therapist, I have observed that individuals with a clear vision, strong motivation, and a positive mindset are more likely to succeed in their financial endeavors. Therefore, the first steps towards retiring in 5 years with property investments involves cultivating a resilient and goal-oriented mindset. Begin by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, otherwise known as SMART goals. Visualize what retirement looks like for you. Is it about traveling the world, spending more time with family, or pursuing a passion project? Having a clear vision helps in staying motivated and focused. And by the way, it could even be a combination of these or something that I haven't mentioned. Let's take a look at managing stress and anxiety. Financial planning can be stressful, especially when the goal is as ambitious as retiring in 5 years. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and cognitive behavior strategies, commonly known as CBT strategies, can help manage and maintain emotional balance. A calm mind is crucial for making rational decisions. Building resilience. The journey will have its ups and downs. Developing resilience helps in bouncing back from these setbacks. It involves cultivating a growth mindset where challenges are seen as opportunities for learning rather than insurmountable obstacles that you can't overcome. So let's dive in, since we have the psychological foundation that's solid, into the next step. The next step is to dive into the strategic aspects of property investment. The property market can be a lucrative avenue for building wealth if approached with careful planning, again, and informed decision making. First, you have to do your research and be educated. Educate yourself about the property market. Understand the different types of properties, market trends, and economic indicators. Knowledge reduces uncertainty and increases confidence in your investment decisions. Then, you have to take a look at financial assessment and planning. So, conduct a thorough assessment of your current financial situation. This includes your savings, income, expenses, and credit score. Develop a detailed financial plan that outlines how much you can invest, potential returns, and a timeline for your investment goals. Then we take a look at diversification. Diversify your property investments to spread risk. Consider a mix of residential, commercial, and rental properties. Each type has its own risk and return profile. Diversification protects your portfolio from market volatility. That way, if things change in the market, you still have other avenues to rely on. That is the idea of diversification. We'll be talking more about diversification in other videos, so be sure to look out for those. Leveraging financing options. Utilize financing options such as mortgages to increase your purchasing power. However, be mindful of the debt you take on and ensure that the rental income on the property's appreciation can comfortably cover the mortgage payments. This is an important calculation, and if you need to work with someone who can guide you on this, I highly encourage you to do that. Next, location and market timing. Invest in properties located in high-growth areas. Research potential locations for economic development, infrastructure projects, and demographic trends. Additionally, consider market timing. Buying during a downturn can offer properties at lower prices, increasing your potential returns. Next, professional guidance. Seek advice from real estate professionals, from realtors, financial advisors, and tax consultants. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and help you navigate complex transactions. Let's take a look at emotional and lifestyle considerations as well. The path to financial freedom is not solely about accumulating wealth, it's also about creating a balanced and fulfilling life. Here are some emotional and lifestyle considerations. Let's take a look at work-life balance. While focusing on your financial goals, ensure you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Burnout can derail your plans, trust me, and it can also affect your mental and physical health. So try to really define, what does work-life balance look like for you? Do you already have this work-life balance? Next, family and relationships. Discuss your financial goals with your family. Their support and understanding can be invaluable. You can feel like you can do anything if you have people in your corner. Also consider how your investment plans align with your family's needs and future plans. What are their plans? What else do you have going on? Next, self-care. Prioritize self-care. Engage in activities that nourish your mind and body. A healthy lifestyle enhances productivity and decision-making abilities, and it leaves you feeling that you've accomplished something at the end of the day without feeling depleted. So, retiring in 5 years with property investments is a challenging yet achievable goal. It requires a combination of strategic financial planning and a robust psychological foundation. By setting clear goals, managing stress, building resilience, and making informed investment decisions, you can pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Balancing financial ambitions with emotional well-being and a fulfilling lifestyle ensures that your retirement is not only financially secure, but also rich in joy and satisfaction. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any thoughts on what we talked about today. I'll see you in the next one.